In this tutorial, what we want to do is create a light effect over a text layer, which will give you that 3D feel. So this effect is called CC Light Sweep, and basically all you have to do is put in 2 different keyframes and you get this effect here. Another example is something like this. So you can have that metal feel to it and you've got that light that's shining across. So the first thing we want to do is create a new composition. So we'll just call this Light Sweep. And you can make it 500 by 500 and we can just make it 3 seconds. Now we want to add in whatever title you'd like for your logo. So just call mine your logo. And let's make it a white color. Now you can choose whatever fonts you like for this. Let's just make a big one here, and I'll actually capitalize this one. So if you want to add a gradient to your text layer to make it a little bit more 3D, you can add in a gradient ramp. So you can just search for it in the effects here, called gradient ramp, and it's under the generate drop down. So you can just drag and drop that onto your logo text, or you can drag it onto your layer. So here you can see the gradient ramp controls. So you can adjust your gradient by dragging these circles to the right and left, or you can actually grab this point here and drop it where you'd like the top and bottom of your colors. So let's make this different color. It's nice and pink for us. So now that we've got the text in there, we just want to add in our light sweep effect. So here you can see it's under generate and it's called CC Light Sweep. Just drag that on top of our logo and you can see that it's put in this light, which gives us that 3D feel to our text. So in our drop down here, you'll see in effects we've got the light sweep. So this center here is what we want to adjust. So at 0 frames per second, we just want to put our light on the bottom left hand side and add a keyframe. And then let's say at 2 seconds, we actually want to pull this up to the top right. And then when we play, you'll see that we've got that glistening effect across the logo, and it almost looks like somebody's shining a spotlight across the logo. This works well for if you had like a metal company or maybe like a roofing logo or something like that, just to give that really intense 3D feel to the text. So let's say, for instance, we were to make a metal roofing company logo. And we can make this a different color. So it's just giving that sleek effect. And you can apply this to compositions as well. So if you've got your logo in a composition, you can put a effect over the entire comp.